Imagine living in 186 square feet of perfectly designed space. Rent-free, mortgage-free, and carbon footprint-free. Tiny houses offer a fantastic range of advantages at a tiny price. Today, I'm going to show you the best tiny houses in 2023. Nugget from Modern Tiny Living. The Nugget is an extraordinarily attractive and impressive feat of engineering. It's a tiny house in every way possible and manages to ensure it can function at full capacity while completely off-grid. One of the biggest selling points is the size of the thing. It comes in at a very respectable 12 feet in length and tips the scales at a little over 4,500 pounds, so most larger vehicles will tow it with no problems. Aesthetically speaking, the Nugget looks great with tactile pine paneling, vinyl floors, and a countertop made of hickory wood. To help ensure the camper can reliably operate off-grid, the tiny house comes with a green composting toilet. Vantage Tiny Home from Tiny Heirloom. If you're looking for the best tiny home for sale that puts nature on show wherever you go, then the Tiny Heirloom from Intrepid Traveler is an obvious choice. The huge windows not only let in a ton of light, but they also make sure you never miss a moment of whatever's going on outside. We love the fact that the Vantage comes in a range of trailer lengths, 16 feet, 20 feet, and 24 feet. If you further want to customize your portable tiny home, then you can opt for one of the upgrade packages. Not only do these packages affect the aesthetics, but they also allow you to live completely off-grid. Vista Tiny Home on Wheels from Escape Homes. We love the aesthetics of this top tiny home. It blends perfectly with a natural environment, and its massive windows ensure you're getting the most amount of natural light possible. Not only is it a looker, but it boasts respectable dimensions, coming in at 7,800 pounds and a little over 21 feet in length. If off-grid living is something you'd like to entertain, then you'll be glad to know that this tiny house can be outfitted for off-grid living. If that's not your thing, then it comes with all the standard RV hookups. If you get a chance to take a look at it in person, I'm sure you'll love the natural materials and clever design touches, such as cedar paneling and pine interiors. Storage and living space is generous enough for a couple of single people, with separate bathroom and sleeping areas. Cornelia Tiny House from New Frontier Tiny Homes. While this tiny home for sale might cost a little bit more than some of the others on our list, its quality finish and attention to detail really stand out. If you're looking for the best tiny home that can help you fulfill your writing aspirations, then this might be the perfect fit. Originally inspired by internationally renowned author Cornelia Funke, this tiny home is meant to be a sanctuary away from the busy lives we lead, not just for writing, but for any pursuits. It features a king-sized bed with a massive view on all sides, encompassing 270 degrees in total. In addition to the bedroom, there's a comfortable living room, bathroom, and plenty of space to prepare a meal. For the readers or authors amongst us, you'll love the beautifully crafted cedar library shelves, either for your own books or for someone else's. Eucalyptus from Minimalist Houses. I'm sure you'll agree that the Eucalyptus tiny house is a stylish offering from Minimalist Houses. The home is inspired by the California lifestyle and was originally a custom build for a couple. The design turned out so well that it's now part of the Minimalist Houses range. This one-of-a-kind best tiny house is split across 2 levels and offers all the essentials, including a fully functional kitchen, a bathroom with shower and laundry facilities, and a generously proportioned bedroom on the upper floor. The Eucalyptus offers a warm palette of colors and well-sized windows which let in a ton of natural light. Minimalist Houses is a Canadian company, but they've recently partnered up with Tiny Innovations in order to better deliver their best tiny homes to customers located in the United States. The Monocle from Wind River Tiny Homes. We love the Monocle tiny home manufactured by Wind River. It's a perfect example of a well-executed tiny home that's been finished to an incredibly high standard. Coming in at just 10 feet wide and 24 feet long, it's a tiny home on wheels of diminutive stature. Despite the proportions, it can quite easily fit a queen-sized bed, as well as a bathroom with a bathtub. his and her closets, which include a massive amount of hanging space. Finishing off the package is a set of elegant French doors and aluminum-clad windows. Thank you for watching, and please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and enable post alerts to view more of our future videos. After saying that, keep watching our videos, and I'll speak with you in the next one.